everybody, I am AZKA ASMI. Today it feels a privilege that I am given a chance to deliver my speech on the topic of let's protect the environment from plastic and polythene. The environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the one thing all of us share. It is not only a mirror of ourselves, but a focusing lens what we can become, said by Lady Bird Johnson. The environment is the source of every life. We all are dependent on this environment for food, shelter, water, oxygen, etc. But over the years, the balance between nature and living beings has been misbalanced, and human society has played a vital role in degrading the environment. There are different ways of polluting methods of environment, and major threat is using plastic and polythene. Let's inquire about plastic and polythene. Throughout the world, around 1 trillion polythene bags are consumed every year, equating to 2 million per minute. Polythene is a fantastic material that has greatly improved the world. At the same time, it has killed millions of animals, plants, and destroyed the salinity and ecobalance of the planet as a whole. The other major threat is using plastic. What is a plastic? Plastic is a non-biodegradable synthetic material which is toxic. This consumption of the disposed of plastic leads to various health problems. Most importantly, the plastic pollution harms the marine life. The plastic litter in the water is mistaken for food by the aquatic animals. They eat and die eventually. For instance, a dolphin died due to a plastic ring stuck in its mouth, and it couldn't open its mouth due to that and died of starvation. Thus we see how innocent animals are dying because of plastic pollution. In short, we see how plastic and polythene are running everyone's life on the earth. We must take major steps to prevent it. We must use alternatives like cloth bags, paper bags instead of plastic and polythene bags. If we are purchasing plastic or polythene, we must reuse it. We must avoid drinking bottled water, which contributes largely to plastic pollution. Finally, I would like to conclude my speech by saying, let's protect the environment from plastic and polythene. We can start from ourselves by limiting the usage of plastic and polythene. If you meet plastic or polythene on the street, please take it and throw it into a rubbish bin. You can also recycle the plastic and polythene waste. And about my mistakes and my troubles, please forgive me. Thanks a lot for the attention.